Welcome back, students. Today will be the last lecture on rational numbers. So today we'll do few more sums on marking or plotting a rational number on the number line, and to find a number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Clear? So the first question for the day: plot or represent 7 upon 4 on the number line. So first of all, you draw a straight line. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. I have already told you that these spacing should be equal. So you must use a ruler for that. So all the spacing must be same. Now, as there is a 4 in the denominator, so the first marking will be 1 upon 4, then 2 by 4, then 3 by 4. Instead of 4 by 4, we can write 1, then 5 by 4, then 6 by 4, then 7 by 4. Instead of 8 by 4, we can write 2, and then 9 by 4, and so on up to infinity. And on the left hand side, it will be minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4, and so on up to infinity. Okay. Now the number that we have to plot is 7 upon 4. 7 upon 4 is here, so just make a dot here like this, and that is your answer. Clear? The next question: represent minus 5 by 6 on the number line. Once again, you draw a straight line, and as the number is negative, so on the negative side we need more space, so you mark 0 here. Like this. And now, as there is a 6 in the denominator, so this is 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, and so on. On the left hand side, minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus, and now 6 by 6 is nothing but 1, and then minus 7 by 6, and so on. Now the number that we have to plot is minus 5 by 6. So minus 5 by 6 is here. So simply mark a dot here, and that is your answer. Clear? Next question: represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, and minus 9 by 11 on the number line. So now we have to plot 3 points on the same number line: minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, and minus 9 by 11. So now what we do, first of all, to draw a straight line. Now as all the numbers are negative, so we need more space on the negative side. So 0 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on. Like this. Now, as there is an 11 in the denominator, so here we will write 1 by 11, 2 by 11, 3 by 11, 4 by 11, 5 by 11. And on the left hand side, it is minus 1 by 11, minus 2 by 11, minus 3 by 11, minus 4 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 6 by 11, minus 7 by 11, minus 8 by 11, minus 9 by 11, minus 10 by 11, and minus 11 by 11 is nothing but minus 1. Okay, minus 8 by 11 will be minus 11 by 11 will be minus 1, and you can write minus 12 by 11 also. Yeah. Now the first number was minus 2 by 11. Minus 2 by 11 is here, so you just mark a point here. Then minus 5 by 11. Minus 5 by 11 is here, so mark another point here. And then minus 9 by 11. Minus 9 by 11 is here, so you mark a point here also. Now you write this is minus 2 by 11. This is minus 5 by 11. This is minus 9, and that is your answer. Clear? Now the next question. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Now, smaller than 2 means any negative number will be smaller than 2. So, you can write simply minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. That is your answer. Even you can write minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Even you can write minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. It should be less than 2. And even you can write 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, because all of them are rational numbers and they are definitely lesser than 2. So in these type of questions there is no fixed answer. I have given you one set of answers, but you can write a different set of answers also. Clear? The next question. The next question is, find 10 rational numbers. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 upon 2. So first of all, you see minus 2 by 5, 1 upon 2. The denominators are different. So first of all, we'll make the denominator same. For that, LCM of 5 and 2 will be equal to 10. Now you multiply numerator and denominator by 2, so it will be minus 4 by 10. And there you multiply it by 5 in the numerator and denominator, so it is 5 by 10. Now you see between minus 4 and 5, how many integers are there? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are getting only 8. So what we do? We multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. So it is minus 8 by 20, and here also 10 by 20. Now easily you can find 10 numbers between minus 8 and 10. That is minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. You can take a different set of 10 numbers also. I have taken these 10 numbers. Now divide each number by 20, because in the denominator we are having 20 here. So when you divide the numbers by 20, then 0 upon everything is 0, so you don't have to write it. So you can see the numbers are minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20, minus 2 by 20, minus 1 by 20, 0, 1 by 20, and 2 by 20. That is your answer. Clear? Next question. Write 5 rational numbers between 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. Write 5 rational numbers between 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. Now, the denominators are already same. You do one thing. You multiply both the numerator and the denominator of the first fraction by 3. So 3 to the 6 by 15, and there also you multiply it by 3, 4 3 are 12 by 15. You can see still the denominators are same, 15. Now what we do, 6 and 12, you have to write 5 numbers between 6 and 12. So it is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 numbers between 6 and 12 are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Divide each number by 15, and that is your answer. 7 by 15, 8 by 15, 9 by 15, 10 by 15, and 11 by 15. They are the 5 rational numbers between 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. Okay? Next question. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So here you can see the denominators are different. The first one, the denominator is 3, the second one, the denominator is 5. So 3 and 5, first of all, we'll make the denominator same. So the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So you multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. So it is 10 by 15. And here also you multiply it by 3. So 12 by 15. But between 10 and 12 we cannot write 5 numbers, 5 integers. So what we do? We multiply first fraction, both numerator and denominator, by 3. So 10 into 3, 30, 15 into 3, 45. And here also multiplied by 3, 36 upon 45. Now again, still you can see that denominators are in both the fractions are same, 45. 30 and 36. You have to write 5 numbers between 30 and 36. So it is 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And in the denominator you write 45, 45, 45, 45, 45. And that is your answer. Clear? Next question. Find 5 rational numbers between -3 by 2 and 5 by 3. -3 by 2 and 5 by 3. So here also you can see the denominators are different, 2 and 3. So LCM of 2 and 3, LCM of 2 and 3 will be equal to 6. So first of all you multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. So -9 by 6, and there you multiplied by 2, so 10 by 6. Now the denominators are same, 6 and 6, and between -9 and 10 you can easily get 5 integers. So I'll take all positive, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and divide each number by 6. So 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, and 5 by 6. These are the 3 numbers or 5 numbers, 5 rational numbers that lies between -3 by 2 and 5 by 3. So that is your answer. Next question. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and not 1 by 4, between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Now what do we do? The denominators are 5 and 4. LCM of 5 and 4. LCM of 5 and 4 is equal to 20. So you multiply both numerator and denominator of the first fraction by 4. So it is 12 by 20, and there you multiply it by 5. So 15 by 20. Now between 12 and 15, 13 and 14, we are having only 2. So what we do, we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2 here. So it will be 24 upon 40, and there also you multiply by 2, so 30 upon 40. Now you can easily write 5 integers between 24 and 30, that is 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and divide them by 40. So that is your answer. Clear? Next question is, write 3 rational numbers between 1.2 and 1.8. Write 3 rational numbers between 1.2 and 1.8. Now in this question, if you write 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, that is correct. If you write 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, that is also correct. But here we will apply the method that I told you in the previous lecture, that the first or a rational number between 1.2 and 1.8 is equal to 1.2 plus 1.8 upon 2. That is 3 upon 2. That is equal to 1.5. So you can see the first number, rational number between 1.2 and 1.8 is 1.5. This is 1.2. This is 1.8. So we have found this as 1.5. But now for the next, you find out the rational number between 1.2 and 1.5. So a rational number between 1.2 and 1.5. 1.2 plus 1.5 by 2, 2.7 by 2, that is 1.35. So you can see the next number between 1.2 and 1.5, 1.8, we have found 1.35. And then you can find out between 1.5 and 1.8. A rational number between 1.5 and 1.8 will be equal to 1.5 plus 1.8 upon 2, that is 3.3 upon 2, that is 1.65. So the next number is 1.65. So you can see your answer, 3 rational numbers between 1.2 and 1.8 is equal to 1.35, 1.5, 1.6. and that is your answer. This finishes rational numbers, and in the next lecture we'll start a new topic.